The tension regulator of the upper thread of various sewing machines looks different, but the principle of its operation is the same on all types of sewing machines. Let's see what the thread tensioner looks like on this old model of Juki. The purpose of a thread tensioner is to pull the upper thread so that the sewing stitch is beautiful on both sides of the stitched fabric. The larger the number is on the tensioner dial, the stronger the thread is clamped between these two discs, and the lower thread is more pulled out of the bobbin. At the maximum value of tension, the upper thread may even break off, and the lower thread will be visible in the stitch on the front side of clothes being sewn. It is best to adjust the thread tension in the stitch when the lower and upper threads are of different colors. Using different color of threads, it will be easy for you to determine how much you need to loosen or tighten the upper or lower thread. The lower thread in the bobbin is often undesirable to adjust, and only when sewing very thin fabrics, such as chiffon, you need to adjust the lower thread too. Such thread tensioner type is mounted on old models of sewing machines, but it clearly demonstrates the principle of operation of the tensioner of the upper thread of the sewing machine. When raising the presser foot lifter, this rod takes away the washer with the spring. Spring is compressed and the thread passes through the tensioner without resistance. The thread take-up wire spring is important detail of thread tensioner. The wire spring is also involved in the formation of high-quality sewing stitches. Note, without it sewing machine will be work, but oblique stitches and loops will form in the stitch.